All right, gonna do a quick unboxing of my ESR wheels. These are the ESR AP5. They're 5-spoke. I went with 19 by 9.5 plus 22 in the front, 19 by 11, and I did a custom offset of plus 15. Just a little hairnet thing on the top of it here. All right, so these are the 19 by 9.5s. It's a pretty good looking wheel. I believe the lip on the 9.5s are 2-inch and the 11s are 2.5. I haven't weighed these. It's a rotary forge, so it's kind of like a cast face with the rotary forge barrel. They're pretty heavy. I went the silver with the machine lip. Got the ESR and that spoke there. I believe the website says these are like 23 pounds, something like that. All right, so that's the 9.5. Let's go open up the 11s here. And it's gonna be the same thing with the bag and the hairnet looking here. ESR does offer these in custom offsets, like I mentioned before. The 19 by 11s, if you just do them as they come, are plus 22. And that for a 370Z, that's not ideal. So I went with the plus 15. It's only 7 mils difference, but I think this should make for a pretty flush fit. I was looking at other wheels online, and Forgestar makes a 19 by 11 plus 15, and those look like they are a perfect flush fit. So all right, so here is the 11. You can tell it's a little bit deeper lip. Kind of put them side by side. So there's the 11 and there's the 9.5. I've always liked a lip as opposed to a concave wheel. ESR said that the 19 by 9.5 plus 22s do fit on the Akebono big brakes on the Sport 370Z without spacers. So I'm gonna find that out in just a minute here. I'm gonna actually jack up the car and just do a test fit, just put them on, make sure everything fits well. I plan on going with the 275/35 in the front. I'm gonna be going for kind of a meaty 305/35 in the rear. So we'll see if my traction control likes it. I think 3% difference is kind of the threshold for if your traction control is gonna give you issues. And these are, with those tire sizes, are exactly 3%. So I'm hoping it's gonna be good and not give me any sort of traction control lights. You see the lip here. You do see a little mark on it here. These are the ones that where they take them and they actually custom do the offset. So the only thing I don't like about that with ESRs, all of their AP5s must come this way, because if you look on the back, so like this says that this is an ET of -8. I don't know if you can read that there, which I was kind of freaking out when I got them, because like, well, that's going to be poking out way too much. But then on the box, it actually will have a sticker. See if I can find it here. Yeah, so on the box, it actually has a sticker of what they were custom made. So the center bore is 72.6, and then the offset is +15. So they come with this crazy low offset, and then they cut them to what you want. So that's cool that they can custom make them, but at the same time, I don't like that the offset on the inside of the barrel is not correct for what the wheel was cut for. So what I'm gonna do is just get a paint pen and just over here, just write +15. That way, if I ever forget, or if I ever sell these wheels, at least, you know, they'll be marked at what the proper offset is. So I'm pretty happy with these. They look really nice. Looking forward to getting these mounted. I don't know if this marring here is gonna come off with cleaning or what that is. I don't know if that's just from the machine they had clamped the wheel in, you know, to machine the offset, but let's see if I can set these up here without banging them against each other here, just so you can kind of see a side by side. So there's the front, and there's the rear. So we'll see. They are going to be going on this, my 370Z. So we'll see how these go. Those awful white letters that came with the car are getting replaced this weekend. So I just getting the winter wheels or winter tires put on. So there you go. All right, if you're interested in these wheels, hopefully this helped. I couldn't find really any videos online of these wheels, so I'm just trying to give you guys as many angles and whatnot as I can for you. But yeah, these 11-inch, I mean, they're wide. It's a big wheel, so gonna fit some nice meaty tires under the Z. All right, everybody, have a good one.